Welcome to the Full Art Saturday video hop. A little spot of breakfast before we start our project. This month our theme is recycling. You can see we've been busy here. Shine, come on in, come on in. Now look. You know that bag of scraps that you said, chuck. You know, chuck, yeah, basically, when you cleared out for me yesterday? While you've been resting, I've been making some scrappy fabric.
Oh my goodness. See, that is really pretty.
It's for our heart project, Katie.
Snack.
Here's the mug that Katie gave me. And I'm using Ruth's mug rug. Love it. And just a little tiny slice left of fudge brownie. I wonder where all the rest has gone. There we are. So if you don't have any big bits of fabric, you can make some fabric just with your little bits of leftovers from all the different projects we seem to do. Oh, I always forget to put the foot down, slow down. All done. That's what it looks like on the back. All I need to do now is cut it into crazy hearts. I've drawn the hearts on in disappearing ink. So now to cut them out. We can go and sit on the settee now. There we are. Just going to do a little bit of slow stitching now. Add a little button. Katie and I sat on the settee watching a Harry Potter movie. All the little leftover bits I'm making into little padded heart buttons. And I suppose there will be tiny little bits and pieces left, so they'll probably be used as stuffing. Of course, I have help. And from young Freddie too. Yeah, just hook them on. Brilliant.
Both bits of string, yeah?
Oh,
or one?
I'm not sure. What do you
lift
think?
it up,
Yeah.
So it's lifted up on this side. I'll do it in a sec.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
And of course, Freddie. Look at his tail. He's happy.
He's so excited.
Yeah, I know. He thinks, what's happening? Freddie's helping. It's wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Welcome.
Yeah, and we'll just leave it there and see what happens. Yeah. Ah. Oh, it's a wonderful tree. Ah, right, let's continue with the walk. Leslie's added a knitted heart to the tree, and we're off for a walk with Honey. Oh, how beautiful. My friend Indy has painted on slate. Here's our crochet ones added on. Thank you, Meri, for organising the video hop. And don't forget to check out the description box below for more videos to see what they've been doing for the topic of recycle. Bye, everyone. Trying to take a picture of the snowdrops. I'm getting quite a lot of help here. Oh, Fanny's rubbing against me. Oh, and Freddie. Don't tread on them, they're gorgeous. Oh, she is so funny, she is